Hey, Fixers, what's up? It's Chris from Fixer.com. Have you seen the deer? So I just showed you the deer. So they are really infrequent in our forest, and I'm really happy all the time I see one. So yeah, in this video I want to. I was just thinking. So today in the morning I have actually seen on Upwork that VHDL developers actually have quite some attractive rates, and I would never have believed it. So when I studied computer science, I of course also took some hardware classes, and we learned like the basics of VHDL programming. So VHDL, what is it? Actually, if you want to program like an FPGA chip or so, you actually need to go into the nitty-gritty hardware programming, right? And all computers actually require some kind of hardware level programming, but oftentimes it is of course automatically compiled down from high level programming languages, right? So oftentimes we have high level programming languages, and and compilers automatically break the code down to low level programming and assembler code and like hardware level code that is actually understood by computers. But oftentimes if we want to do some more like for example, if we want to do some robotics research or create our own, say, like Lego robots or like hardware devices, then we need to understand VHDL or some low-level basic hardware programming, right? And now let's check out the opportunities for freelancers who are actually skilled in FPGA and VHDL programming. And you can see they get like quite some premium hourly rates. Like this first freelancer, Gerald, he's like a basic FPGA programmer, right? With good job success score. This is a basic of everything. Basis of everything as a freelance developer. You need to have great job success score. But if you have, like, you can make $70 per hour, even $120 per hour for like over time with experience, right? You can, like this guy has earned 1 million with FPGA and electrical engineering and VHDL programming. So you could, like, if you are interested in this low level hardware programming, I think it's a really exciting industry. Why is that? Because like here you see this guy $115. So this was like on the low side. We get like somebody who has actually a very low job success score, like 73% job hit K. He has very low job success score, and he still makes $44 per hour, which is, I think, really exciting. So for example, if you work 8 hours per day, you can get like 44 times 8. It's what is it? So it's about like $360 or so, right? So you're probably quicker. Yeah, it's about $360. So you can make $360 per day even if you are a shitty programmer, I should say, on the Upwork marketplace. Why is that? Because it is such a rare skill, right? Learning a rare skill is very valuable for many clients, and I mean, if you are doing a reasonable job with high job success score and top rated, you can even make more than $100 per hour. And oftentimes you see this one actually sells himself short. He offers his time for $5 per hour from Pakistan, but he hasn't earned a lot, right? You see, like this guy sells his skills for $150 per hour, and he has earned 200K on the platform. This guy sells his skills for $120 per hour, and he has earned more than 1 million on the platform. This guy sells for $5 per hour, and he has made only 1K. So oftentimes the truth is just what you think of it, right? It is just what you make it to be. If you sell your skills for $5 per hour, you will get it. But if you sell your skills for $50 per hour, like this hardware engineer from Egypt, you will also get it, right? And clients will often be much more happier because of the halo effect, because they perceive your skills already as better, right? So they pay more, so they also think that what you deliver, they expect more, and oftentimes like it's just a human bias. We try to confirm our expectations in many cases, right? So it's also the halo effect. You are perceived as more valuable. That's why you also have more time. You can even create more value. Maybe not 10 times more value, but maybe twice as much value. And as you create more value, your clients will be more satisfied. You will have a higher job success score. So oftentimes, like if I think it's a really exciting niche. So if you combine with some basic business skills, those business skills we actually teach on the Things the Freelancer course, you can make like $50 per hour, up to $120, $130 per hour I've seen, as a hardware programmer, like focusing on VHDL and FPGA programming and stuff. So I think these are exciting exciting niches. Oftentimes you can also use Python for like more conceptual hardware programming, and I think there are some tools for compiling it down to hardware level language, but Python, of course, is not the language of choice for hardware programmers. So I'm not an expert in this type of programming. What I am an expert in is freelancing, right? I have started my career as a freelancer myself, and I know that it has been the best decision in my life to become self-employed as a freelancer. I started out making money as a freelancer on Upwork as well, and also then I moved outside, like I moved my clients outside to outside Upwork back in the days. I don't recommend it anymore, because I've seen so many very, very successful freelancers who actually have just kept their clients on Upwork, and because Upwork is maybe later on it just takes 10% or so take rate, which means from money from the freelancers. Initially 20%, but over time, as you earn more with your existing client, the take rate reduces, and it can be quite efficient, right? You can, and also, of course, you build your profile, you build experience, and you build credibility on the platform, which is worth gold. Okay, anyways, I just wanted to share this exciting niche. If you find this video interesting, then give me a like and subscribe. I will share such a niche video every day, and also check out the freelancer course if you want. I'll give a link in the description below. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.